For those of you who have been using your iPhone, and then when you see your battery and then you see your maximum capacity is still at 87%, but it's actually not at 80-70%. Since I've been using this phone for 1 year, and I think it's much more lower than that. How to check it? We can just go here, battery health shortcut, search it, battery health shortcut, and then we can go here to pay it forward. Then you can just download it and click on add shortcut. Since I already have it, I can just replace it or keep both. I don't mind. Then you go back to setting, scroll back, and then you scroll down until you see your privacy and security. Then you want to click on tracking. Wait, not tracking. You scroll down until you see analytics and improvement. And if you haven't checked your Share iPhone analytics yet, you have to check that first so you can view this data over here. Then you can click on the analytics data. For example, I'm going to click this one, and then you can press the share button, and then you can click on this battery stats. And as you can see here, I can see my real iPhone battery stat, which the maximum is 4523 milliampere, and the current maximum is only 3759, and the cycles count is 353 cycles. And compared to when it was new, I only have 80% of my battery capacity right now, and that is how you're able to check it.